Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get the regular updates of my channel, and do not forget to like, comment and share. In this digital world, every product focuses on giving great experience to their users. And if I talk about ServiceNow, then there is no doubt that in past few years, they have been making heavy investments on improving users' experience on the platform. But there is still one interface which majority of users never liked, and that is native UI of ServiceNow. And today I'm very excited to inform you that ServiceNow has launched new interface of native UI in their San Diego version. And the name of the interface is Next Experience UI. So hello everyone, welcome to SaaS with ServiceNow. In this video, we will talk about newly launched interface by ServiceNow, Next Experience UI. You will see the features of this new UI and how it will improve the user's experience on the platform. ServiceNow Next Experience unifies your instance applications and reduces efforts in navigation. It delivers a next generation, natural and personalized experience to drive productivity and improve engagement on the platform. It has great features like drive workforce productivity. It basically empowers different teams working on the platform by showing several information in one single pane. It basically delivers engaging experiences in which it simplifies work for end users with personalized, context-driven information and resources that reduces the clicks. Then it also have work smarter and faster. That's a feature we have in Next Experience UI, which basically deliver intuitive information based on historical information and context in one single pane. And another feature we have is build and configure pages fast. It empowers users with low code or no code abilities to create and configure engaging experiences. So let's see Next Experience UI in my personal developer instance, which is in San Diego version. This is my personal developer instance. Now you can see this native UI. So let's start with enabling Next Experience UI in this instance. So how can you enable this? We can basically enable this with the help of system properties we have in ServiceNow. So what I will do, I will basically do it a little bit zoom so that you can see it properly. So I will type system properties dot list. This will show me the list of properties we have in the instance. Here I will search for Polaris. So you type Polaris, you search for it, and you can see we have 9 properties for this name. So here we have 9 Polaris properties, and if I talk about that how exactly you can enable it, you have this property glide.ui.polaris.experience. This is false right now. That's the reason your new UI is not enabled. How you can enable? Just make it true. So I will make it true. I will save this. Will it show me new UI? Not yet. You have to now reload your browser. So now I will just reload this page, and when you will reload this, magic will happen. So let's press enter, and you will see the new UI, that is Next Experience UI of ServiceNow in San Diego version. So it is loading. So here is the UI we have, which has various components. It is definitely different what you see in native UI. Now this is the same page of system properties, but now I will just go to home. So what I will do, I will just click on this logo. I will click on this, and here we have landing page. Now this landing page has been opened as per the selection I did for my home page. That's the reason I see here. But if I talk about the difference, you can automatically see here that there's a big difference between this UI and the native UI. You don't see anything on the left hand side. You have this whole page right here, which you can drag and basically scroll till down. And then you have this section at the top. So let's see what exactly these different components are. So starting with the same, which definitely shows the icon, basically logo for your organization. You can definitely put the logo for your organization here in this instance. As of now, this definitely now, which is by default out of the box we get from ServiceNow as part of this personal developer instance. Then we have this all. So we have this menu section you can see here. So we have 4 menu, we have all, we have favorites, we have history, we have workspaces. Now you have application navigator in native UI, but how you can access those different applications in new UI? And that is something you can get it by clicking on all. When you will click on all, it will show you the same type of view where you can see all different applications of your instance and modules. And you can also see the filter, and the next is favorites. You already know that in native UI you have all those 3 tabs under application navigator, but here it's totally a different menu. So if I click on favorites, it will show me all the applications which I have made favorite as per my user preference. And then we have history. This will definitely show the history, that what exactly you have opened in this particular instance. So it will show in this particular menu, and it will show like this. And then we have workspaces. So as you know, ServiceNow is definitely moving in direction of workspaces. They are launching different workspaces for different applications and modules in ServiceNow. And that's the reason they have made a separate menu for workspaces where you can access different workspaces you have created for your organization or you have enabled in your instance. So if I click here, you will see it will ask me that which workspace you want to access. As of now, we have this base agent workspace and we have this CMDB workspace. These are definitely enabled out of the box, but if you have any workspace which you have enabled, you can definitely see in this particular item as well, menu item as well. Now, the next is this one, which is basically contextual app pill. Now, what exactly it shows? It shows which element you have selected. So as of now, we have selected ITIL dashboard. It is showing ITIL dashboard. One another element it has, that is favorite. So once you open the page, any element, any page or any module of your instance, it automatically shows here. And if you want to make it favorite, you can automatically do it with the help of this star, and you can say it says create favorite for ITIL dashboard. Now the next one is global search, this one. So if you want to do search, we already have search in native UI. Similar search we have right here, but it is quite different what you have in native UI. How? Let's see this. So let's say I will search for email. If I press enter, it will show me in what elements it is searching, whether in any script, whether in any knowledge documents, all those elements will be shown here. And you can directly click as well. Let's say you have these knowledge and catalog items. If I click here in the left hand side in this area, you will automatically see all those items. So I can still scroll, but it can definitely take you to the same section. Even if I talk about, like, let's say incidents, if I click on this, you can see it is showing me all those incidents which are related to email. Let's say I search for any script, like maybe maybe glide Ajax. If I enter this, let's see where exactly I will find this. So you can see we have all these different elements where glide Ajax word has been found. So we have UI actions, client scripts, UI policies, system properties as well. We have found this glide Ajax word, and it's showing all those results. If you want to directly go over there, click on this, it will take you to that section. So you can see we have this glide Ajax right here. That's the reason it is showing me this result. We have client scripts, we have UI action. That's how this particular global search works. Now, one important thing here, that you can also select where exactly you want to do this global search. If I click on this icon, you can select global, but let's say you want to search this word in any particular workspace, that you can select here as well. And then that record will be opened in that workspace only. So if I select workspace and let's say I type email, let's see. So yes, it's showing me all these results. And if I, let's say, open this, will it open in workspace? Yes, you can see it opened that incident record in workspace. That's a great feature you have. You can select right from here, or if you just want to see this incident record in this main UI of ServiceNow, which is definitely the new UI now. So you can just select global, and if I type, let's say, email again, and it will give me the search. Let's say I go to incident and I open this. This time it will not open in workspace. It will definitely open in this particular UI. And at the top you can see it shows that what exactly this element is. So it is showing that this is the incident number we have selected. You can also make it favorite if you want. And if I select here, let's say I make it favorite. So it says remove favorite. I can remove it, but as of now, I want to make it favorite. And if I go here, what do you think? Will it show me? Yes. If I click this, absolutely, I have this favorite right here. So you can understand why ServiceNow came up with this great idea, that why we should have advanced UI. Basically, it is enhancing the user experience, and I think it is definitely giving a experience of feeling of service portal, because service portal is definitely the advanced UI, a great user experience we get. I think it is definitely giving similar kind of experience to end users. So you can see, and I think this will definitely, I will say, change the mindset of our users, that they used to work in native UI, which is very basic UI, but here people will definitely will have a great experience. So that's how you can open the record. So here we have search. Now next is basically application scope and update set, which you also select in the banner frame in native UI. So here you have this button, you click on this, here you can select the scope, and you can go back and you can also select the update set, and you can also filter it. You can also search the update set in this particular section. Then you have this help. So if you click on this, it will show you the help. If you have any help article for this particular module or this page. And then we have notifications. So if you have any personalized notifications, you can see that notification as well. It could be different notifications you get. And then the last section here we have is user menu, which is definitely available in native UI as well, but is much different from there. So if I click on this, you will see. So we have this, it will show you the name and basically image of that particular user. Then you have profile, you have preferences, you have impersonate option, because I'm an admin, so I'm getting this impersonate as well. You can elevate, because again, I'm an admin, and you have this logout option. And if you have this profile, if I click on this profile, you will see this record. So here is the self-service one, and I can also change it. I think look and feel is still, I would say, not look and feel. Navigation is kind of same, but it's still way advanced than native UI. So if I select default one, so you will see here, I can just I think it's taking a little bit time. Maybe it's our, because personal developer instance definitely runs a little bit slow than if your organization's production instance. But you can see here it's our profile. We will see the records as well. Now if I click here again, you have this preferences. Now if you remember that settings, that gear icon we have in native UI, that's the one. So if I click on this, and here we have, you can see it tells me display or accessibility. I think I can just a little bit make it down, so basically small. So here we have preferences, and these are basically categorized as well, which are definitely categorized in native UI as well. So we have display, and you can see here all those options which we get over there. Then notifications, and we have accessibility. And we have this debugging as well, which is definitely showing because I'm an admin. This is my admin account. That's the reason I'm seeing this option as well. Now, one more thing. If I go to the property, so let's go to the property, and I will show you something more. Maybe let me show you. If I type here, and that's a feature. Even in this particular UI, you can type like this dot, and if I type sysproperties.list, it will definitely show me the results. Let's see the magic again. Yes, no difference. So it's still because as an admin, people definitely want to use this kind of feature a lot, and you can definitely use it. You can continue to use it. So I will search here Polaris again, and let's take a look. And we have this dark theme. So as of now, dark theme is disabled. So do I want dark theme? And I think if I talk about all those different platforms when you access an UI, even in your mobile applications, I think a lot of organizations, a lot of brands, they are giving you the option to convert the theme to dark theme, because it's really, I would say readable, or maybe soothing for your eyes. That's the reason. So even ServiceNow has basically introduced that particular theme as well. So here, if I make it true, and I just make it true, and what I can do, maybe I will just reload it. That's better. I will just reload it. So it's reloaded. And if I click here and I go to preferences, absolutely, you can see the difference now. Before we enabled this property, we were not able to see this theme option, but now we have this theme option. What exactly you can do with this theme? Let's click on this. You click on this. Now it will ask you, hey, you want to see a dark theme, or you want to just see this white theme? So I will just select this dark theme, and let's see, and I can just click this. Now this will not change this for this UI, basically for Next Experience UI for these records, but it will change for Workspace. So if I go to Workspace, it will show me the workspace in dark theme. And you can see we have this dark theme now. And if I change this, I can show you the difference basically. Let's make it white, and you can see now it's white. That's how you can change the themes. So these are the different menu and different components we have in Next Experience UI. Now let's do one thing. Let's open some records, some kind of different application, and see what kind of other experience or other elements or any other experience you can see for your end users. So what I will do, I will again click on all, and I will go to incident, because incident is something is being used by most, I think, all the employees in the organization. So I will just type incident. So we have this. We will start with create new. So I will click on create new, and you will see the form now. So we clicked on create new. It just taking a little bit time, and here is the form. We don't have any change. We have not done any kind of changes. It's all out of the box. We have all those buttons, no difference. We have this as well, all those buttons. And let's say if I click on this and I just maybe create an incident, I select any color, and here I just put test for UI, and I just click on save. So that was the new record, new form. And then here we have the existing record because I have saved it. So here you can see the basically tabs, sections we have, and here we have related list. And if I click on this, now you might see the difference here, because now here we are getting this add button right here. Even I think edit as well. Yes, you can see new button is coming here, edit is right here. We have filter like this. It's definitely improved. And here we have basically natural language filter if you want to put. And then here is the menu. We have new, edit if you want. Let's see slush bucket, how exactly it shows, because I'm interested to see that as well. I'm sure you too as well. So if I click on this edit, it will show me the slush bucket. It is still kind of same basic one, not way advanced. So you can just add these incidents and just click on save. That's it. I think I didn't find any much difference in slush bucket. Because overall, as I think you must have observed, baseline of this UI is definitely same as native UI. But if I talk about accessibility, is definitely advanced. It is definitely improved, that people can now access different modules, different records directly. I think much faster than they were doing in native UI. So let's see the list now. As of now, this is our basically form. Now let's move to list now. So if I go here and I will just select this open, this will show me the list of open records. Here we have filter. You can apply the filter from here. Show or hide filter. Basically, if you want to see the filter, it will be shown like this. And it's basically okay. One important thing, I think that's the main thing you can see here, that our related link is basically related actions we have here, which comes at the bottom in your list view of native UI. But we have this list UI actions we have right here, and you can take action accordingly. Let's say if I select this one, now it should be enabled. Yes. That's the main change they have done. So you don't have to go at the bottom now. You can see it right here. You have this new button here on the right hand side. But if I talk about new native UI, it is on the right hand, on the left hand side. Then you have this personalized list. If you click on this, you can personalize the list as well. And this is the activity stream if you want to see. So you can see the kind of, I think now this will definitely help end users to work on ServiceNow easily. It will definitely make their work more productive. The productivity will definitely increase, because now they can access the records pretty much quickly. They have access to favorites, all those options. They can do better search now. So definitely this will overall, I would say, improve the overall productivity, add effectiveness in the process and in day-to-day work of every user in the platform. So I really think ServiceNow has done a great job in enabling this new UI, so that it will definitely give a great feeling to our users. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and comment, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.